Hi guys, this is your boy Digital Pulse. Kindly watch this video to the end to understand what I'm about to teach you. Today I'm here to teach you how to withdraw unlimited BNB or unlimited funds from your View Only wallet. Now it was called Watch Only wallet. Now it is called View Only wallet on YouTube. How to withdraw unlimited BNB or unlimited funds from your View Only wallet, let's say your Watch Only wallet, to your bank, PayPal, Cash App, any place, unlimited, any amount you want or any amount you have. So it's just simple. So let's enter our Trust Wallet app and do that. It's very simple. But I guess you already have your address for the Watch Only wallet, the View Only wallet. If you don't, just check the description. It's available there. So let's enter inside and get a clearer and understandable video. Here is simple. You just need an app and logins for the withdrawal. App, if you already have it, but if you don't have, just check the description. I've placed the address there. So this is it. This is mine. Now it is View Only wallet, not Watch Only wallet. This is it. So I can show you how to withdraw this. It's a simple way, but you need an app and logins, bexchange app and logins, in additional with a momo number. Yes, so just DM me. I'll put my link in the description. Just DM me and we are good to go. Yes, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, share, so we can withdraw, we can cash out money. Thank you.